Hello everyone, this is Siddharth, and in this video we will be solving another question from the list that I have shared in the starting of this playlist. So we are making a playlist on my YouTube channel where I will be solving all those questions which are related to each other so that we can able to solve so that we can able to build intuition instead of memorizing the question. So if you will like you can see it by just trying to solve the question from the first question that I have uploaded. You can start solving from there, and as soon as you will have solved like for 5 to 10 question, then you will able to get the uh, motive of this playlist, that why we are making this. So let's start solving this as well. So here we have given an array, and now we have to rotate this array to the right by k element. So let me make you understand this. So let's take this array as an example, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the array is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we have to rotate by k is equals to 3. So what we have to do, we have to move the element one by one up to k times to the right side, that is here. So what will happen, first 7 will move here, then 6 will move here, then 5 will move here. So it will look like 5, then 6, then 7, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So this is what we have to do. Now if you will try to see what we can do, obviously we will be using two pointer approach. First we will move uh, this is the first intuition that you can think of. Then we will move our fast pointer to n minus k step, that is at 4. Now what we can do, if you will try to think, then we will try to swap these value uh, with the starting value, that is this from 1. We can start swapping from here. After swapping, still we will have some element left here. So what we can do, after the slow element will reach here, we can again uh, try to swap these two for four element. So this is one approach that you can use, but obviously that will take more time. So more optimized approach, if you try to think hard, then what we can do, first we can reverse this n minus k array, that is 1 2 3 4. That will going to be 4 3 2 1. So this is what we can do. Then we can reverse this, that is 7 6, then 5. And now we can reverse this whole array, so it will look like let me do that. So 5, then 6, then 7, 5, then 6, then 7, and then 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So this is a desired result that you can get. So how we can, now this is the approach that we will be using, and like solving this will be pretty easy, like just the approach of swapping the element and then just passing it in the reverse function. So this will do the job for us. So first what we have to do, we have to first call this reverse method that will be reversing from the first. Let's first pass this array, then pass 0th index, and then n minus k index minus 1, as zero based indexing is here. Now we can pass, call this reverse function again, and then we can pass this nums, and then we can pass n minus k, and then we can pass mm, sorry after reversing sorry after reversing this n minus k, that is 4 3 2 1, that is 1 2 3 4. Now we have to, from n minus k up to the last element, that is n minus 1, we have to reverse again, and then we have to reverse this array again. So that will going to be nums of starting index will be 0, and ending index will be n minus 1. So if you will try to calculate the time complexity, it is of course big O of n, and the time space complexity will going to be big O of 1, because we are just traversing in the whole array one time only. Now we can define this reverse function that will be taking an array nums, and then it will be taking two index, int start and int end. Now we just have to apply the simple approach to swap the position in the array. So while start is less than n, now what we have to do, First, we have to make a temp variable that will be storing the value of which is at the index of start in the nums, and then at the place of nums of start we can store the value of nums of end, and in the place of end we can store the value of temp. So this is the standard approach. Now here what we additionally have to do, we have to let's calculate the length as well. So int n is equals to nums dot length, and then we have to handle the edge case as well when the value of k is greater than n. So for that case should be k modulo with n, so it will handle that case, edge case, and if k become equals to 0, then there is no need of no rotation, so we can return from there. Now we can try to run this and check. Okay, so we haven't start should be plus plus and end minus minus, sorry for that. Now we can run this. I forgot these two most of the time. Now we can submit it as well. Okay, so we have successfully solved this question. See you in the next video. Bye.